Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. In this video today I'm going to be showing you several birthday decoration ideas from lovers of pink, white, black, whatever your color is. I have something for you. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for sticking by, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, welcome to this channel. I'm glad to have you here. Please do subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family who will find this video useful, and don't forget to connect with us on all our social media handles where we have important information coming up. So without wasting so much time, let me show you guys what I have for you. Also, I'd like to know, out of all the birthday decor ideas that you're watching now, which is your favorite decor idea? Please put that in the comments section below. I would like to hear from you. Which is your favorite decor idea and why? Is it the color or the combination?